Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 9th December 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. Friends, if you remember in our yesterday's episode, I strongly put my view that I am expecting more positive move in especially Nifty and Bank Nifty, and exactly things have been seen. And in the yesterday's session, Nifty made high at 17,484 and was up by around 1.71%. And in today's session also, it made high at 17,540, and from those level it is showing some profit booking, and currently it is trading at around 17,470, and from the current levels it is expected to show some volatility, as from past 2 days it has shown significant upward movement already. And if you look at the FIs and DIs data for the yesterday's session, then then the FIs net sold only by around 580 crores in cash market, which shows that FIs are giving some pause of their selling. But we cannot trust this debt, as we cannot trust the FI sentiment unless they started buying at least for 2 to 3 trading days on a continuous basis, as in past we have seen similar cases. Like on 2nd December they net sold only by around 900 crores, then after that day on 3rd December itself they sold by more than 3,000 crores. So unless they started buying and continue buying for at least 2 to 3 trading days, then only we can have some idea that their sentiment have turned to the buying from the selling. Till that, we need to be very cautious in especially Indian markets for the FIs selling. Since the Nifty have already been shown a significant upward movement from its lows of around 16,900 to 17,540, of more than 640 points gain in just 3 trading days, and this movement have already been analyzed and predicted by us well in advance. So I hope you liked our analysis. For more such analysis, you can contact us for our paid services. Our contact details are given in the description as well as they are on the screen. So for the next few trading days, Nifty and Bank Nifty are expected to be volatile, weak, and no major positive move is expected from the current levels. So it is expected to it is advised for the investors or traders who are holding long positions in Nifty and Bank Nifty to book their profit. And for the next few trading days it is expected to be volatile, weak, since tomorrow is the last trading day of this trading week, and then there will be the weekly holiday of Saturday and Sunday. Therefore it is expected that either on the second half of today's session or in the tomorrow's session, the traders who have gained profit by creating long positions to book their profit on the weekly basis, and it is possible that traders will not be comfortable for carrying any long position for the next week, keeping in mind the global uncertainties and the FIs selling. Therefore, to be safe, it is advised to book profit in the long positions and to hold your horses for making fresh long positions in especially Nifty and Bank Nifty at the current levels. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.